Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to do lattice multiplication using three basic steps. In step 1, we will draw the lattice something like this. In step 2, we will do simple multiplication of digits. And in step 3, we will do addition of single digits. In this example, we'll multiply 35 by 26. Now the first thing to do is we'll write our numbers like this, 35 across and 26 down the right like this. And then we will draw our letters, a box like this, and then divide it into little squares like this. Next, we'll make some diagonal lines in these squares to divide them into two like this. Now we are ready to do step 2, which is the multiplication. So if we multiply 5 times 2, we get 10, and we write it like this, 1 here and 0 here. Multiply 5 by 6, we get 30, 3 here and 0 here. Multiply 3 by 2, we get 6. Because it's a single digit, we write the number 0 here and the number 6 here. Multiply 3 times 6, we get 18, with 1 here and 8 here. And now we're ready to do the last step, which is the addition. We add within the diagonals like this. So in this diagonal, we have the number 0, which we write down here like this. In this diagonal, we have 8, 3, and 0, which gives us 8 plus 3, 11, plus 0, 11. So we write down 1 here and take the other one across to the next diagonal like this. Now adding this diagonal gives us 1 plus 6, 7, plus 1, 8, plus 1, 9. And we just have 0 in this diagonal, which we place here. So here's your answer right here. And when we write that out, we get 910. Here's another example where we multiply the number 322 by 48. So let's arrange our numbers nicely first. 3, 2, 2 across like this, and 48 down like this. Let's draw our letters carefully like this time. A square for each digit. And divide the squares into little diagonals like this. And now we're ready for the next step, which is the multiplication. Let's do the multiplication now. 2 multiplied by 4 will give us 8 because it's a single digit. We write it like this with a 0 here and an 8 here. 2 multiplied by 8 gives us 16. So we write down 1 here and 6 here. 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8. 0 here and 8 here. 2 multiplied by 8 for this one gives us 16 again, 1 here and 6 here. 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12, so 1 in this and 2 here. 3 multiplied by 8 gives us 24, so we write 2 here and 4 in this little triangle here. And now we are ready for the next step, which is the addition. Let's do the addition now. So in this diagonal we have 6. So we write down 6 here. In this diagonal we have 6 plus 1, 7, plus 8, 15. Write down 5. Take over the 1. Then we have 4 plus 1, 5, plus 8, 13, plus 1, 14. Write down 4. Take over 1. In this diagonal, the next diagonal, we have 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5. Write down 5. And then this one, we have 1. And here's our answer. When we write that out, we get 1, 5, 4, 5, 6, which is 15,456. So that's lattice multiplication for you. Don't forget the 3 steps. Number 1, draw the lattice. Number 2, do the multiplication. And step 3, do the addition for each diagonal. So that's lattice multiplication for you. Thank you for watching.